What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a crazy day because I get to show you guys the new car. Before we do that though, if you could hit the sub and the like, that would be awesome. And then I'd love to talk to you guys about why I got rid of the Supra. So let's jump right in. So getting rid of the Supra was tough. There was a bunch of reasons for that. So just for starters, I've had that car almost 4 years now. I was kind of ready for something different. That excitement just wasn't there like it used to be. So I was ready for something different. I also have a 2-year-old and his favorite word is car. I'm trying to keep that going, but I can't take him to car events, do anything like that without inconveniencing like my wife or without being able to take my car. So what I decided to do was try to find something with a back seat. Those were the majority of the reasons why I stepped away from the Supra. I was sad to see it go, but I was excited for something new. I want to introduce you guys to my Alpine White 2008 BMW 135i. So why did I decide to go with the BMW 135i? So a bunch of different reasons. The first and most important reason, inline 6, 3-liter, twin turbo, rear wheel drive goodness. I mean, it's still along the same lines as a Supra. Very similar, just as much as it is different. In addition to that, guys, it has back seats. So, I mean, that's the whole goal right there. It's got the N54 in it. And if you guys know the N54 motor, tons of potential. People make crazy power with this platform. That's one of the things that I plan to do for sure. Almost 15 years ago, I saw a 1 Series for the first time and I immediately fell in love. I remember where I was at a car event in Georgia. It was orange and I was like, I want one of those one day. I remember he had a tire on the back. He was making like 600-700 horsepower. It was insane. And it was just crazy to see something like that at that time because in my opinion, or at least from my perspective, you just didn't see inline 6 cars with that compact size like that, which takes me to my next point. I felt like I really needed a 2-door backseat car. My son, he's at the age where he can climb in himself, so that's helpful, but I also like the compactness. I like the smallness of the car. I looked at so many different options. A lot of them looked really big, boaty, and that was just something that was kind of hard for me to accept. So this was like the perfect route for me. In addition to that, guys, I got to drive it and I really love like the rawness and the feedback and the lack of technical assistance. It just felt like this could be a race car. And I'm not trying to build a race car, but like I just felt like I felt everything. Everything was very like mechanical and you could feel the road and everything was really tight. So I knew that that was the way to go. I do have a really crazy build incoming for this car. I think you guys are gonna wanna stick around for this. It's gonna be, I mean, touching everything, interior, exterior, under the hood, under the car. I mean, we're just gonna revamp pretty much everything. This is the first time that I have created I have a whole list built out for this car of parts and accessories that I wanna get. Some of them I've already ordered, some of them have already came in, and it's gonna be fun. I see this as a long-term car because this car was one that I've wanted for so long. And I just love the fact that you never see these. I also love the fact that it's different from a lot of the builds you see these days. Everybody wants an F series or G series BMW. Starting to see so many Supras everywhere. But this one you just don't see. And the exterior of the car is still like a very modern looking car. I'm super excited for this one, you guys. So stick with me. Again, like, sub. Why am I punching my hands? I don't know, but also guys, I don't know if y'all noticed this, but the title on my channel changed. The wife and I came up with Tired and Exhausted. We thought that's pretty cool because I mean, you know, tires on a car, exhaust, and I'm old and tired and all those things. So let me know what y'all think about that name down below. Let me know what you guys think about the car as well. Did I make the right move? Give me your feedback. In the next video, I'll go into a bit of a deeper dive on the car, what's done to it, what came with it, maybe some plans for the car, but you're not gonna wanna miss it. It's gonna be a good one. I'll see you guys. Peace.